Are you looking for the best mandolins? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best mandolins on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall. There's a reason why Benriner is often mentioned as the mandolin of choice in many professional kitchens. This Japanese-built slicer is simple in design, but it's also a real workhorse. If your kitchen needs include slicing bigger vegetables, like extra-large russet potatoes for chips or heads of cabbage for a coleslaw recipe, this is the tool for you. This Benriner model doesn't come with a variety of blade options, but if you are just looking for straight cuts, it will suit you just fine. This is top rack dishwasher safe, but hand washing will help preserve the blade's sharpness. Replacement blades can be purchased separately, as well, so you will be able to keep using your mandolin for years. With a 6.5-inch wide cutting surface, this mandolin has a large stainless steel blade that slices right through just about anything. The variable knob underneath allows you to select a variety of thicknesses, though there are no markings on the dial for precise measurements. We love it for slicing cabbages and daikon, but it still works well for smaller vegetables, even little radishes and potatoes. Just be sure to use the included handguard. The wide body construction allows you to cut without feeling restricted, and the handguard isn't limiting. Cuts are even and consistent, with no snagging, because the blade is very sharp. Blade style, Japanese thickness settings, variable knob blades included, straight. Number 2. Best budget. This handheld OXO mandolin slicer adjusts to 3 different thicknesses for fruits and vegetables. It has a non-slip handle, and the non-slip foot on the end keeps it from slipping around on the work surface. Since part of the mandolin is clear, it's easy to see the slices below and know how much you've cut. It is dishwasher safe, and it comes with a handguard. Unlike other models, this one does not make julienne, wavy, or French fry cuts. While testing out this mandolin, we noticed that it was actually easier to slice firmer produce, whereas softer produce was occasionally more difficult to handle. We found that it made for nice thin slices of potato, and we were able to slice a full-size cucumber in about 30 seconds. With tomatoes, the slices were a bit uneven but still solid. We also like how secure and comfortable the mandolin was to grip for being so small. Overall, the 3 slicing options covered all of our tasks with very little difficulty. The non-slip feet are another nice touch that makes slicing over a bowl or cutting board even easier. Blade style, Japanese thickness settings, 3 blades included, straight. Number 3. Best multifunction. This model features 5 easily interchangeable blades and a dial to adjust cutting thickness, so your cuts are always the right size. The standalone spiralizer can cut large or small julienne strips or ribbon slices, while the dicer blades offer 2 different sizes. The mandolin can do julienne cuts or straight cuts along with grating. We used the slicing blade to cut through all types of vegetables and found the cuts to be quick and even. The handguard was easy to use on medium-sized to smaller veggies, but might feel awkward and unnecessary for larger, bulkier items. Luckily, this set also includes a cut-resistant glove to use as well. For smaller veggies, such as radishes and small potatoes, the handguard worked really well, but it does leave about 1/4 inch of unused product at the end. The mandolin and dicers fit on top of a catch tray inside a non-slip base that keeps it stable during cutting. The catch tray is removable and can be used for storing foods that have been prepped ahead. When cutting is done, all the parts are top rack dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Blade style, Japanese thickness settings, 3 blades included, straight, julienne, grater, dicing. Number 4. Best for safe cutting. This single unit does everything you'd want a mandolin to do: straight cuts, waffle and wavy cuts, small julienne cuts, and larger French fry cuts. In total, there are 21 different thickness cuts, ranging from 1 to 9 mm in half-millimeter increments. There is a straight blade for cutting through hard foods like carrots or potatoes and a serrated blade that's better for tomatoes, bell peppers, and onions. The cutting thickness is adjustable with the turn of a knob, and the julienne and French fry cutters stay covered when out of use. This particular mandolin is a little bulkier than some of the handheld models, but the additional stability and multifunctionality are worth it. During testing, we found that the hand protector held food snugly while slicing and protected hands to avoid any injuries. We also really appreciate the millimeter adjustment slider and how accurate it was in slice thickness without wasting any product. This model is made of angled Japanese stainless steel, so it's built to last. It comes with a handguard for safety and has sturdy legs to hold it at a comfortable angle while slicing. The blades are easy to remove for cleaning. Hand washing is recommended. Blade style, Japanese thickness settings, 21 blades included, straight, julienne, fry, crinkle cut. Number 5. Best Professional. Produced by the company that created the original mandolin, this one can make straight, wavy, and julienne cuts from paper thin to 1/2 inch thick. There are additional blades available separately for making julienne cuts of different sizes. It is a large, well-built unit that weighs 5 pounds, so it might be a little bit too hefty for those who want a more compact unit. However, it does fold up nicely when not in use, and we were surprised at how little space it takes up in storage. This mandolin works best with peeled vegetables, but some larger ones, like potatoes, will need to be pre-cut to fit the shoot. We didn't feel comfortable slicing very small radishes, as the handguard didn't seem to hold them well, and when slicing a bell pepper, the skin got caught, and it wasn't as easy to slice through as some of the other models. Furthermore, if you want to make waffle cuts, you can't use the guard because you can't turn the vegetable to make the second cut. Extreme care should be taken, or cut-resistant gloves should be used. Since this is stainless steel, it should be dishwasher safe, but hand washing is likely to be easier and will keep the blades sharper for longer. Blade style, French thickness settings, variable blades included, straight, julienne, wavy. Number 6. Best for beginners. If you don't need a lot of fancy options or are still learning how to use a mandolin, this model will make short work of vegetables without breaking the bank. It adjusts to 3 different thicknesses and has julienne blades that pop up for cutting zucchini, carrots, and other vegetables for salads and stir-fries. The tool also comes with a handguard and features a non-skid base for safety. It is dishwasher safe, but it might be easier to hand wash to clean all of the nooks and crannies. We found that the blades were just as sharp as some of the more expensive models and made quick work of denser foods like sweet potatoes, radishes, and carrots. The julienne function was able to slice through onions easily and was super simple to adjust, as well. Blade style, Japanese thickness settings, 3 blades included, straight and julienne. Number 7. Best Compact. As far as compact mandolins go, this model from Swimar is a great choice. It comes with a selection of blades for julienne, straight, and French fry cuts. This model features a V-style blade, which gives it an edge over straight blade slicers for cutting softer foods, like tomatoes, but it works well on a variety of other fruits and vegetables, too. We like the simplicity of this design. It has grooves to fit over a bowl, eliminating the need to transfer food from a cutting surface to a receptacle. Cutting through peppers and tomatoes was easy, while larger potatoes required a little more force to push through. Since this mandolin only has 2 thickness settings for straight cuts, 3.5 and 7 mm, you can't use it to make paper-thin chips or translucent radish slices, but it does a great job for cucumbers, carrots, and more for potato gratin recipes or salad toppings. To clean, wash this mandolin by hand. The blades are easy to remove and replace, and all of the pieces fit together in a compact holder for easy storage. Blade style, V-shaped thickness settings, 2 blades included, straight, julienne, fine shred.